আমার প্রথম প্রশ্ন হবে টু ডক্টর রুবিনা হোসেন, আপনি একজন, আমি ক্যান্সার সার্ভাইভার বলবো না, আমি আপনাকে বলবো একজন যোদ্ধা, ক্যান্সার ওয়ারিয়ার। আমি আপনার কাছে আপনার যে ক্যান্সারের জার্নিটা এবং আপনার যে অভিজ্ঞতাটা সেটা যদি আমাদের সামনে একটু তুলে ধরেন। থ্যাংক ইউ রুবিনা আপা।
Assalamu alaikum সবাইকে, and thank you Albab for inviting me in this fabulous platform. আর যে সাবজেক্টটা নিয়ে আমরা ডিসকাস করব, I think this is a very serious critical issue that needs to be addressed by a lot of us, যেটা আমরা পরে কথা বলবো ইনশাআল্লাহ। Well, you know, as আমার জার্নিটা, I'm a daughter, a single mother, an entrepreneur, a master trainer and industry assessor, as you said, and I'm extremely lucky to come forward to have an opportunity to say a few words as a cancer survivor in my journey, which was complete trauma for myself. I'm a third generation cancer victim, I would say. Amar Dadi, I think I was 11 years old when my Dadi died, I think 1970 Amar Baba, he was also affected. Amar Dadir bodhoy stomach cancer chilen. Tokhon I was very, very young to even understand what cancer was all about. My dad, Amar Baba, was affected with kidney cancer, and he survived for 8 years. I nursed him, so I got to learn a lot of things. তার 2 বছর পরে যখন I was having a very uncomfortable feeling, pain, আমার stomach ফুলে গিয়েছিল, and I had very difficult in breathing. So I went for a sonogram and they told me je amar pete pani. So that's when I did a blood test that was CA-125, because our baba a cancer marker korechilo and I was aware of it, and it didn't sound at all good. My cancer marker came out 669, which was way far very high, because tumor marker of CA-125 was 0 to 35. So I decided je ami amar babar oncologist, who was at Bamungrad, Dr. Thira Omsawadi, uni tokhon ekta conference e America chilen. So I sort of chose another oncologist who's a fantastic doctor. She's a gynae oncologist cum gastro specialist, and I was declared 4th stage ovarian cancer. It was a completely at a bombshell that turned my life around. I went through immediate surgery, which was oophorectomy after because amar ovary ta burst korechilo, and I had ascites in my stomach and my lungs. That is a water retention. In fact, amar ডান দিকের লাংস থেকে 200 সিসি পানি বের করা হলো অপারেশনের আগে, আর অপারেশনের পরের দিন I think 180 সিসি was taken out from my lungs. It was a 8-hour operation. They removed my ovary and uterus and also all the lymph node. I think the doctor took a very serious decision, because okhane I was on my own and I had to sign my papers. It was very traumatic for me. I went through 16 very aggressive chemo. I was given a choice to sign up as in a research group, and I felt that since it's a 4th stage ovarian cancer, I didn't know whether I was going to live and for how long. So I actually decided that আমি এই রিসার্চ গ্রুপে জয়েন করব, I was given an option to go through ওদের testing chemo দুটো combination, which was very aggressive. I had to stay back 6 months for that research group এর জন্য. So I also had to get used to my side effects. ওরা A to Z তো অনেক সাইড এফেক্ট ক্যান্সার পেশেন্টদেরকে বলে, কিন্তু আসলে এক একজনের বডিতে এক এক রকমের সাইড এফেক্টস হয়, নট নেসেসারিলি সব সাইড এফেক্টই সবার হবে। আমার গায়ে র্যাশ, তারপরে মাথার চুল পড়ে গিয়েছিল, পুরো শরীরের I didn't have any hair left. I went through tummy run, nausea, তারপরে sleepless nights. I had a lot of pain in my body. আমার bone depression হয়েছে because of 16 very aggressive chemos. I'm on vitamin D 50,000 every 14 days. I had to go through a lot of physio because our joints were affected because a chemota was very aggressive. I had chronic side effects. But one thing I will say, that during my journey, I was always very positive. I accepted it with grace and gratitude, because I've been in positive thinking meditation for 16 years at that time. And I used to do organ healing on myself. So I felt that mind over body was very, very important for me. আমি 3 বেলা একা ছিলাম ওখানে, যখন 3 বেলা আমি মেডিটেশন করতাম on my healing. So it was well, I would say that I was very, very lucky, because আমার জাস্ট অপারেশনের 20 মিনিট আগে আমাকে ডাক্তার জানালো that আমার hemoglobin was 6.2, and it was so low that they had to sort of get blood bags for me in case I needed any transfusion. তো আমি তখন ওদেরকে বললাম যে আমাকে 5 মিনিট দাও, and I actually got up right in on the operation table, and I started meditating, and I started talking to my organs and to God, because I didn't know what else to do, because ekdom amar operation 15 minute age I was already piped out. So when I woke up, I still remember they had to give me মানে আমি যখন অ্যানেস্থেসিয়া থেকে জাগছিলাম, তখন ডক্টর আমার কানে বলল, Rubina, it was a miracle. It was sheer miracle, because as I was going layer by layer, you were clotting, and I didn't have to give a drop of blood, any blood, extra blood in your body. So ami kintu I just it was very emotional for me, because you feel completely at a loss. You don't know what to say, ha na kichu na, because you are at the mercy of the doctors and their decision, and it's your body who tells this whole story. So it was a complete journey, and with the help of the family, the friends, and also my cancer peers, I got involved with a cancer support group at Bumrungrad, Bangkok. আমি যখনই ল্যান্ড করতাম, they used to give me the messages to join in, and right now আমি বছরে একবার যাই. I went through 2 very major operations and 2 minor ones. প্রথমটা তো ছিল ovarian complete oophorectomy of removal of ovary, uterus and lymph nodes, and the second one, they thought I got back my cancer nodes again in my lungs, but actually what happened was I have developed 2 autoimmune disease from this chemotherapy. One is sarcoidosis, and I think I'm second case in the world to have 4th stage ovarian cancer and sarcoidosis together. So what happened is in the PET scan, because I have to go through PET scan every month when I was going there, Basically, it showed that I had 7 to 9 node growth in my lung area, but actually it was not on my lung area, it was way below my air passage. So there is a doctor who is a specialist known as deep brain thoracic heart surgery, Korenuni. He did the surgery for 8 hours again. And ওই অপারেশনের পরে আমার right lung had collapsed because later on he told me that it's a very natural phenomena after such a long operation because your heart and lung was out of the your body, because I had to really go below the air passage layer by layer, and it was a very critical operation because PET scan এ দেখিয়েছিল যে 7 to 9 node growth, but actually when he opened me up, they found 46 node growths. So it was a very long cleanup, and then they cauterized me. আরেকটা growth ছিল আমার ঠিক হার্টের artery almost লাগালাগি, which they didn't touch on the left side. So they actually did the operation on the right side from the back. It was open heart, but আপনার ব্যাক থেকে আপনার রিব কেজ, ডান দিকে রিব কেজ পর্যন্ত. So I went through 6 months of lung exercises, nebulizing, oxygen, everything, all the exercises. But I came through. Because I was meditating regularly, আমার breathing exercises helped me to heal. যখন ডক্টর বলেছে 6 সপ্তাহ লাগবে, I healed in 2 weeks time. যেটা বলেছে 4 সপ্তাহ লাগবে, I healed in 4 days time. So there was no explanation, but my body was healing by itself. And I believed in my doctor, my oncologist, my lung specialist, my endocrinologist who was giving me the medication, and who was supporting me all the way. And I believed in myself, I believed in God, and here I am in front of all of you talking about my journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rubinappa. Amazing and very insightful. And I think cancer is all about mind game. And trust me, I think cancer is always defeated against somebody's will of mind. I think power of mind against the cancer always been defeated, and you're the perfect example for it.